Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you to my craft room where I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. And in today's video, I have a completed journal flip through. This is a journal I'm calling Simply Nature. The front cover here is upholstery fabric, beautiful piece of fabric. And then on the spine here, I've got some vintage crochet from a tablecloth. And again, on the back, the same fabric. And then to have the closure, I did these two beaded elements, one on the back here and this one on the front, which holds the sari silk ribbon closure. And then on the spine, I've attached this tassel, which is a handmade bead that my dad made a long time ago. And then I have some pearls on there. And then we'll go ahead and open this up and take a look. So, of course, this is nature themed and woodland themed. So here is our inside cover. So this is a chipboard base covered in the fabric. Then I wrapped the fabric around and I covered another piece of chipboard here. So this is hard with some cardstock, just so that that was on the same level. And then the spine inside here, you can see the fabric that goes over about this far on each side of the spine, so that that reinforces the chipboard and the fabric on the cover. So I have this little booklet in here. This is removable, and that's just a little bonus that I stuck in there. It's too thick to put in a pocket, so I just put it in the front here. In the front, I do have a pocket here. So a lot of these images here are from a Stamperia paper pad that I got on Amazon, and this also is from that same one, so I added a little place there to journal. Got a little book plate up here at the top that does go in there, I know, up here. And then I just did some collage work here on a cardstock paper and a pocket here. Did some stenciling, of course, did my doodling around. Here I have a little strip of different papers with a little image on there. Copy dyed paper that I got in Happy Mail. And just layered that up and put some journal spot on the back there. And a little pocket here with a smaller journal card. And then I also have on here Edith Holden Whale Tail book page tabs. Put a little strip from Edith Holden book and a little stencil there. A little bit of stenciling on my coffee dyed paper there. A little more stenciling. A little more here. So I really wanted this to be a writing journal, so I left a lot of space for that. A little card there. And there's the center of the first signature. Just a little card there. And some stamps from Malta. This just opens up for a little secret journal spot there. On the back I have a couple of places for a tag or however you want to use that in the journal. More of that beautiful coffee dyed paper. A couple journal spots there. And a pocket here. With some ephemera in there. Edith Holden book page portion there. Just a little tuck spot here with, this is a playing card that I made into a journal card. And this pocket is a top loading pocket there. And it just has ephemera pieces, not a lot done on that, so that you can do what you'd like with that. So I didn't finish all the pieces out in this. I normally finish all pieces out in a journal, but I left this one so that the recipient can use it as they want. I have a little pocket here. And this is an index card with a journal card here. Slides in the side. And just another ephemera piece there. Postcard. That little piece from the paper pad. This is a double pocket here. It has a little pocket here, pocket behind, and some more ephemera pieces. Some vintage ledger that's been coffee dyed. And then I just put this piece of paper in here and made it into a double pocket. So I just sewed that in, and then I always put a little bit of glue on the inside just so everything doesn't fall to the middle. A little spot there for journaling. I thought this would be a nice place for a photo. And just another journal card there. Yeah, just a lot of places for writing and jotting down thoughts that you have. And I did some collaging here. Belly band over here that I just added a little bit of Edith Holden book page to. Another double pocket with ephemera stuffed in there. Did some stenciling on there. And a pocket here. And then the back inside cover has a little ephemera piece with a bird on it. And this little booklet with a fish on the front with some Edith Holden pages, tea-dyed paper for you to use as you wish. Again, there's the back of it and the front. Go ahead and tie this back up. And I have one more thing to show you today. Put that in there in a minute. Forgot to put that back in. So the other thing I want to share is I made this little altered lunch bag and or paper bag, however you want to say it. I made this little tassel that goes on there. It's got butterflies on it. And then this is just a piece of jute that I crocheted into a tie. And I have several different ephemera pieces. So these are little snippets that can be put on a page in the journal. I have 2 journal cards that are this size. I have 2 belly bands. There's the other journal card. And then I have a, if I can get it out of there, it doesn't want to come out. Maybe I'm not doing it right. There we are. There's a larger journal card that I went ahead and put on the back there. It's got a pocket here, a little tab there for it to go in. Everything just pops back in there. So if you guys are interested in learning how I made this paper bag part, let me know in the comments, and that might be an idea for me for a future video. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my video. And go ahead and feel free to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.